Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Kinesis data streams with Firehose delivery to S3, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Amazon Kinesis data streams with Firehose delivery to S3, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Kinesis service from the Services menu. Select Data Streams from the Kinesis options. Click on the Create Data Stream button. Enter a name for your data stream in the designated field. Specify the number of shards based on your expected data throughput. Review your settings, then click Create Data Stream to finalize the creation. Once your data stream is created, return to the main Kinesis menu. Now, navigate to the Firehose section under the Kinesis options. Click on the Create Delivery Stream button. Name your delivery stream and choose Direct Put as the source. Under the Destination section, select Amazon S3. Choose your S3 bucket from the drop-down menu. Configure the buffer size and buffer interval settings according to your needs. Optionally, set up data transformation or compression if required for your use case. Proceed to the next configuration options, where you can set up IAM role permissions. Create a new IAM role or choose an existing one that has permissions to write to S3. You can also configure error logging in another S3 bucket if desired. Review all your settings before proceeding to create the delivery stream. Click on Create Delivery Stream to complete the setup. Now, go back to your Kinesis data stream and ensure it is active. You can start sending data to your Kinesis data stream via the AWS SDKs or APIs. Monitor the delivery stream in the Firehose console to ensure data is being delivered to S3. Check your S3 bucket to confirm that the data files are being created as expected. Adjust your configurations as needed based on performance and data volume. That concludes the setup of Amazon Kinesis data streams with Firehose delivery to S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.